In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products in Wix. Before we begin, make sure you've already added Wix stores to your website. That part is important because the store features you need for selling products are managed from there. Once that's ready, go to your site and open the editor so you can make changes directly on the page. From inside the editor, look to the top left and click My Business. This is where Wix groups together the main tools related to running your store. After that, click on the My Store section. This area is where you'll manage the products that appear on your website and control how your store content is organized. To add or remove products, click Manage Products. Here you'll be able to see the products that are currently available in your store. This is also the place where you can add a new product if you're just getting started. Take a moment to review what's already listed so your store stays clean and up to date. If you're selling digital products, keeping your product list organized will make the shopping experience much easier for your visitors. Once your products are in place, the next step is to display them on your site in a way that looks polished and easy to browse. To do that, click Store Elements. This section lets you add visual store sections to your page so customers can actually discover what you're selling. From here, you can choose the type of product display you want to use. For example, you can add a grid gallery if you want a clean layout with multiple products visible at once. You can use a slider gallery if you prefer a more interactive style that lets visitors scroll through items. You also have options like a related products section or a bestsellers section, which can help guide customers toward more items they may want to buy. After adding an element, you can double-click on it to edit it. This allows you to adjust how it appears and make sure it fits the style of your website. It's a good idea to preview the layout and check that your products are easy to read and visually appealing. Finally, to actually accept payments and orders, you'll need to upgrade your Wix plan. This step is required if you want customers to complete purchases on your site. Once that's done, your store will be ready to start selling. And that's it. That's how to sell digital products in Wix.